trouble in the world today. Things not going your way. It's easy to slip away from the joys of life. Every day's mystery, and fulfilling your destiny, you gotta take it day by day. Take it easy, don't let them know. If you're going through trials, don't let it show. Take it easy, let it flow. You won't always find yourself stuck in the low. Things will never go exactly how you plan. Even for the wisest man, you gotta start taking chances. Though you may not always have the upper hand, adjust and then try again.